Welcome to Tech Gen channel. This channel is about technology. Now today I am going to unbox and review EUME massager backpack. Here comes the packaging. Let's tear up the packaging and see what's inside. Here comes the backpack. The backpack is in black color and there it is written Unfold Urban. Let's tear it off the cover and see the backpack. Here it is the Amazon bill. Now we can see the offer price. Here it is written 4,299 rupees. And here it is written do the undone. And we can see the qualities of the backpack. It's a waterproof. Here we can see the MRP of rupees 6,139 rupees and packaged on August 19. Here it is written barrel 29 liters, which is the backpack capacity. Let's open the clip. The backpack comes with the 4 massagers, 2 on the shoulders and 2 on the lower back. Here comes the switch for massager. Now let's clip it again. There is a USB connector. There is something over there. Let's see what's inside. Let's zoom it out. It comes with a USB connector and also the charging port. Now let's unzip the backpack. Looks like there is wires. Let's bring it out. There are 2 wires. One is with the red sticker and another is with the green sticker. Here we can see the spacing of the backpack and there is a manual over there. World's first anti-stress massager backpack. And also we can see the operating procedure, how to use it. Now let's plug it out with the power bank of 10,000 mAh battery. For best use only 10,000 mAh battery. Green wire for massager. And blue wire for charging output for the tablet charging or phone charging. Now red wire is for charging the power bank. Now let's arrange it over the spacing of the power bank. Now here we can see the spacing for books and its EUME branding. There is a tab padded support and also laptop padded support. There is a zip over here. Let's see, there is something over there. There is nothing over there. Now let's open the front zip. There is a patent over my hand. You can arrange the wallet here and mobile here and we can hang keychain. Now let's see how the massagers work. Here it comes with the 4 massagers and the image. For the first switch on, the upper 2 massagers vibrate. For the second switch on, the lower 2 massagers vibrate. And for the third time, the 4 massagers can't vibrate. Here we can adjust the torso for close vibration with the 2 clips, one over the shoulder and one over the hip. I felt it is worth through the pricing. Hope you guys like it. Please subscribe for more interesting videos.